Welcome back to my lessons, dear students. We got some ideas about conjunctions and connectors in the last class, and we learned the uses of conjunctions. And today we will learn the connectors. And the connectors are very important grammatical items, and this is for you of class 9 and class 10. To add something or to add some new ideas, we use some connectors, and they are and, also, moreover, furthermore, besides, in addition. For example, Joe is rich, besides, he is brilliant. Here, besides is a connector. Another example, Linda has a lot of money, moreover, she helps the poor. Here, moreover, is a connector. To show contrast, contrast means differences. To show differences, there are some connectors. But, however, on the contrary, on the other hand, nevertheless, on the one hand, instead, for example, Bob was rich, on the other hand, he was miser. Here, on the other hand, is a connector, and it shows the differences, the positive and the negative ideas. Tom is sick. On the contrary, he goes to college. Here, on the contrary, is a connector, and it shows two different ideas. To introduce an example, there are some connectors. They are, for example, for instance, that is, in other words. Money cannot ensure happiness. For example, although Rabin is very rich, he is unhappy. Here, for example, is a connector. Another example, if you work hard, you will be successful in life. For instance, John works very hard, so he takes the first place in the exam. To show the result. To show the result, there are some connectors, and they are so, as a result, consequently, accordingly, therefore, that is why, thus. For example, Tom does not pay his telephone bill, so his telephone connection is disconnected. Here, so is a connector. Another example, Mina worked hard, therefore she became successful in life. Here, therefore, is a connector. To show emphasis or to show stress, we have some connectors, and they are in fact, indeed, as a matter of fact, certainly. For example, Linda hardly travels. In fact, she hates traveling. Here, in fact is a connector, and in fact shows the emphasis on the second sentence, she hates traveling. The second example, Milton does not miss his classes. Indeed, he becomes first in the class. So here we see indeed is a connector, and it shows the emphasis on the second sentence, he becomes first in the class. Dear students, at the end of the lessons, I have set some exercises for you today, and you have to try it at home. Till then, have a very good day. Stay home, stay safe.